Matching appearance. This replacement exterior door handle was specifically designed to look and function the same as the original handle on particular vehicles. Seamless replacement. Designed to match the dimensions and specifications of the handle that came stock on the vehicle. Excellent value. Original equipment quality at a lower price. Ensure fit. This handle is vehicle position specific, so double check you have the correct handle for the same position and side of the vehicle you want to replace. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Direct replacement for a proper fit every time. Backed by Dorman's limited lifetime warranty. New products, new solutions, new opportunities. Top reviews from the United States. Fits 2013 Chevy Tahoe. Feel pretty sturdy. Dorman is usually a reliable brand, so we'll see how it holds up. Edit. It's now been over 2 months since I've put this on and it's doing good. Would definitely recommend.